lot of people squirming about this story. More confirmed cases and suspected cases of monkeypox around the world. Health officials say that this illness is actually spreading through raves and sexual contact. Kelsey Kernstein is here with the latest warning. Kelsey.
Well, Adrienne, right now the CDC is investigating a patient diagnosed with monkeypox in Boston in the past weeks with contact of more than 200 people. And the health leaders are also investigating 2 suspected but not confirmed cases in Utah. More than 100 monkeypox diagnoses around the world, and that number is climbing.
There's usually about a 3 to 6% chance of becoming deadly, but this one really seems much more mild. There have been no cases of people getting seriously ill or dying from this.
At this time, there is no proven treatment for the virus, but there is a vaccine with evidence to be effective. The illness, consistent with the smallpox family, but not nearly as dangerous and deadly.
I don't think people need to be running out looking for the vaccine for this. The vaccine that we have is actually the smallpox vaccine because they're in the same family.
U.S. health leaders preparing a stockpile of the vaccine for most at-risk patients. Incubation of monkeypox can take about 7 to 14 days, and the symptoms can last a few weeks, starting with a headache, tiredness, and muscle aches to a rash and then lesions and scabs on the skin, mostly seen on the face, arms, and genital areas.
That's when people are certainly very infectious during all of those stages, and people remain infectious until all of those lesions scab over, crust over, and then the scabs fall off.
Doctors say monkeypox is not as contagious as COVID. It spreads through very close contact with bodily fluids or sores, respiratory droplets like after a sneeze or cough. It can also spread through animals and materials that have been contaminated. Officials say it's not considered a sexually transmitted disease.
This is a disease that has been around in humans or available to be in humans for 50 years. And we've certainly not seen huge outbreaks of monkeypox.
And health leaders say the majority of positive cases in the last 3 weeks, they have been seen in Europe and North Africa, linked to pride raves. And the World Health Organization says most cases have been linked through sexual contact. However, some positive cases, they have been seen in roommates.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.